Be ready. Start. This matter has been referred to the full bench pursuant to the order passed by the division bench of Mr. Justice A.S. Oak and Mr. Justice A.V. Poddar on 29th February 2012. The said division bench was of the opinion that the view expressed in the decision of another division bench of this court, Bilal Nazki as he then and A.R. Joshi J.J. in the case of State of Maharashtra versus Pandu Mali and followed in the subsequent decision of another division bench of this court, V.M. Kande and A.M. Tipse J.J. in the case of Gani Surve versus the State of Maharashtra was in conflict with the purport of Section 390 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and in particular the exposition of the apex court in the case of State of UP versus Posu and another and Amir Khan versus State of Rajasthan, which decisions were not brought to the notice of the division bench in the case of Pandu Mali Supra. Having taken that view, the division bench of Justice Oak and Justice Poddar formulated questions for consideration by a larger bench of this court. The said questions read thus: when in an appeal against acquittal, an action of issuing warrant for arresting the accused is directed in accordance with Section 390 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, whether the accused is entitled to bail as a matter of right and whether the learned session judge before whom the accused is brought has no power to direct that the accused shall be committed to prison till disposal of the appeal. Whether this court has power to direct that every breach committed by sessions judge of the direction issued by the court will always constitute contempt of this court. In the reference order, the court has analyzed the two previous decisions of the division bench referred to above. It found that keeping in mind the purport of Section 390, it would appear that judicial discretion could be exercised by the High Court on the question of issuance of bailable or non-bailable warrant against the acquitted accused at any stage of the appeal against acquittal. Further, the provision confers discretion on the court before whom the accused is brought either to commit him to prison or to admit him to bail pending disposal of the appeal. Therefore, the exposition in the case of Pandu Mali Supra and Farooq Surve Supra of the earlier division benches was contrary to the express language of Section 390 of the Code as well as the decisions of the Constitution Bench of the Apex Court in the case of Posu Supra and in the case of Amin Khan Supra. In the reference order, the division bench has disagreed with the opinion of the earlier two division benches that the subordinate court will have no option but to grant bail. It then went on to consider the direction issued in the earlier two decisions of the respective division benches to the effect that if sessions judge fails to follow the directions so issued, in that case he shall be liable for contempt action. In the reference order, the division bench has noted that it is well settled that breach of an order of a court will constitute civil contempt if and only if the breach is deliberate or willful. Every breach is not a civil contempt as a result of difference of opinion on these two issues. The court formulated two questions referred to above in the reference order. Stop.